Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nurlaila Maisara binti Nazri and my matrix number is 2023466706 and I'm from group N3AS1161A1. My lecturer's name is Dr. Siti Haja Alias and my topic for this video presentation is food additives. Consuming food daily is a basic necessity of life. Many people are aware of the use of chemical ingredients in food. But what are these chemical ingredients? These chemical ingredients are called food additives. What exactly are food additives? Food additives are natural or synthetic ingredients added to food to enhance the colors, flavors, or textures and to prevent foods from being spoiled. With the rise of processed foods in the modern food industry, there has been an increase in the use of both natural and synthetic food additives. This is the types of food additives that I will explain to you in this video. First, preservatives. Second, antioxidants. Third, flavorings. Fourth, stabilizers. Fifth, emulsifiers. Sixth, thickeners. And seventh, dyes. First and foremost, let's talk about preservatives. Preservatives are used to prevent or inhibit the growth of microorganisms like bacteria or fungi in food to delay deterioration. Other than that, food preservatives are used to preserve the appearance of food, as well as food characteristics like odor or flavor, and to keep the food fresh for a long time. Here are some of the examples that are listed here, which is common salt in dried fish, sugar in jams, vinegar in pickles, benzoic acid in chili sauces, sodium benzoate in bread, sodium nitrate and sodium nitrate in sausages, sulfur dioxide in dried foods. For the second one, let's talk about antioxidants. Antioxidants are used to reduce the rate of deoxidization of fats in food. Not only that, it also stops oily or greasy food from becoming rancid. In general, antioxidants prevent oxidation from leading to unpleasant taste or smell in food. For examples, ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, in sweets. Citric acid in oily food such as cakes and biscuits. Tocopherol, which is vitamin E, in margarine. The third one is flavorings. Flavorings replaces the original flavors that are lost during food processing. Not only that, it also adds flavor or aroma to make food tastier. Flavorings also replace food seasonings that are expensive or seasonal, such as those found in certain fruits. Here are some of the examples that you might have heard before, which is monosodium glutamate, MSG, aspartame, sorbitol, and stevia as a sweetener, esters such as propyl ethanoate, which is substitute for pear flavor, and ethyl ethanoate, which is substitute for pineapple flavor. Fourth is stabilizers. Stabilizers helps maintain or enhance food's original texture, physical and chemical characteristics. For example, pectin to thicken jams, agar from seaweed to make jellies. Fifth is emulsifiers. For a brief explanation, an emulsion is a mixture of two or more liquids that are usually unmixable but can be mixed by using substances to help them mix. Emulsifiers are used to prevent the separation of oil and water components in food. Not only that, it also gives food a smooth texture and increase their shelf life. For examples, monoglycerides or triglycerides in peanut butter. Other than that, lecithin in chocolates. Sixth is thickeners. Food thickening agents are often used to improve quality properties as well as modify rheological and structural properties. It is for improvement in moisture binding capacity, changing structure, and changing the flow properties. For example, starch, gelatin, acacia gum, and xanthan gum are used to thicken soups and sauces. The last one is dye. Dyes are used to add or restore color to make the food look more appealing and delicious, as some food processing can remove the food's natural color. For examples, azo compounds gives yellow, red, brown, or black colors. Triphenyl compounds gives green, blue, or purple colors. Meanwhile, caramel gives brown color. Let's talk about justification for using food additives. Why are food additives used? It is used so that seasonal crops and fruits can be enjoyed all year round. Not only that, it is also used to keep the food stay fresh and last longer. It is also used to enhance appearance as well as to make the food taste better. Some of the bad effects of food additives when taken excessively is that people might develop allergies, nerve disorder, and cancer. For children, they might develop asthma, rashes, and hyperactivity. Although it is justified for using food additives in food industry, I do want to remind us that we have to limit eating or adding too much food additives in our food for the sake of good health. Safety information. For the awareness and interest of the consumers, the Ministry of Health simultaneously enforces the Food Act 1983 and the Food Regulations 1985. Both these acts and regulations are aimed at ensuring that the food sold to the public is safe to eat, and the labels are not misleading the consumers. Focus is given on food standards and its contents, guarantees for certain foods, mark dates for foods, nutritional supplements, and packaging aspects.